Dear learner, we shall discuss about quadratic equation. At first, we shall discuss about the formation of quadratic equation. Let us take two linear equation, that is 2x plus 3 equal to 0, which is equation 1, 3x minus 1 equal to 3, that is equation number 2. Now multiply equation 1 and 2, you will find 6x square plus 7x minus 3 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation because here the highest power of variable is 2. The name quadratic equation comes from the quadra, meaning square, because the variable gets square like x square. It is also called an equation of degree 2 because of 2 on the variable x. Now you try to identify quadratic equation from the following equation, that is 2x square plus 6x minus 9 equal to 0, which is a quadratic equation. Again, the second equation is minus 5x cube plus 8 equal to 0 is not a quadratic equation because here the highest power of variable x is 3. And third equation is minus 9x square plus 1 upon 2x minus 4 equal to 0, which is also a quadratic equation because here the highest power of variable is x square, that is highest power is 2. Hence, a quadratic equation in its standard form is written as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are known as values and important thing is a not equal to 0 and its graph looks like a shape called parabola. Let us see few examples of writing a given quadratic equation in its standard form. First equation is x square equal to 3x minus 1. And now steps, move all terms to left hand side and you will find its standard form is x square minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. The coefficient a, b, c will be a equal to 1, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 1. Similarly, second equation, that is 2x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to minus 5. And the third equation is z multiplication with z minus 1 equal to 3. Now you expand and move 3 to left, you will find z square minus z minus 3 equal to 0, where the coefficient a will be 1, b equal to minus 1 and c is minus 3. Similarly, fourth one equation is 5 plus 1 by x minus 1 by x square equal to 0. Now you multiply by x square, you will get a standard form, that is 5x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0, where a equal to 5, b equal to 1 and c equal to minus 1. Now we are discussing about solving a quadratic equation, that is how to solve a quadratic equation. We solve a equation by finding its root. A real number alpha is called a root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equal to 0. If alpha is a root of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we say that x equal to alpha satisfy the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, or the root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are called zeros of polynomial ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A given quadratic equation can be solved by two particular method. That method is factorization. Another method is special quadratic formula. And this formula x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Thus, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has two roots are alpha and beta given by alpha equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a and beta equal to minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, how to factoring a quadratics? To factor or factorize a quadratic is to find what to multiply to get a quadratic. It is called factoring because you find the factors. A factor is something you multiply by. For example, the factors of x square plus 3x minus 4 are x plus 4 and x minus 1. Why? Well, let us multiply them to see x plus 4 multiply with x minus 1. You will get x multiply with x minus 1 plus 4 multiply with x minus 1, which gives x square minus x plus 4x minus 4. You will find x square plus 3x minus 4. Multiplying x plus 4 with x minus 1 together is called expanding. In fact, expanding and factoring are opposites. X plus 4, x minus 1. When expand, we will get x square plus 3x minus 4. Again, x square plus 3x minus 4. When we factoring, you will get x plus 4 and x minus 1. Examples of factor. To solve by factoring, the step 1 is set the equation equal to 0. The factor will be linear expression. Set each linear factor equal to 0, solving both linear equation. Now take an example. Solve by factoring x square plus 3x equal to 0. X square plus 3x equal to 0, set equation to 0 and the factor will be x multiply with x plus 3 equal to 0. Now either x equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0, which gives x equal to minus 3. That is, set the linear factors equal to 0 and solve the linear equation. That is, x has two value, one value is 0, another value is minus 3. Now, the another method to solve quadratic equation, that is quadratic formula. Another technique for solving quadratic equation is to use the quadratic formula. The formula is derived from completing the square of general equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and is given by x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Take an example. Solve 11n square minus 9n equal to 1 by quadratic formula. And the equation 11n square minus n equal to 1 gives us 11n square minus 9n minus 1 equal to 0. So, a equal to 11, b equal to minus 9, c equal to minus 1 and n equal to 9 plus minus under root minus 9n square minus 4 into 11 into minus 1 upon 2 multiply with 11 and you will find 9 plus minus under root 81 plus 44 upon 22, which gives 9 plus minus under root 125, that is 125 upon 22, and you will get 9 plus minus 5 root 5 upon 22.